Hey everyone, welcome to my channel for Crown of Glory. In today's video, I will be making a DIY clove deep conditioner. Guys, when I say this is by far the best deep conditioner I have used, both DIY and store-bought, it is hands down the best. So stay tuned because I'm going to show you how I made it and I'm going to let you all know how it made my hair feel. I'm so excited for you guys to give it a try as well. Let me be your motivation to stay and give it tonight. To start off making this deep conditioner, I'm starting off with organic whole cloves, my base oil, which is our extra strength hair growth oil from IRIScrownofglory.com, and this is some regular deep conditioner that I had left over. In my baby bullet, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of whole cloves, about a 1/4 cup of my oil. You can use whatever oil that you have, whether it's olive oil, almond oil, whatever you have already. I blended that for about 2 minutes. And I know it looks like the oil is on top while the cloves are at the bottom, so we're going to go ahead and strain that to get all of the nutrients from the cloves. Use a cheesecloth if you have one. Now I'm adding in my base deep conditioner. I'm going to mix that up for about another 2 minutes. $25. Our hair wash kit includes the thermal heat cap, a continuous spray bottle, both a detangling brush and detangling comb, a scalp massager, 4 clips, and a microfiber hair towel. Not only does this hair wash kit make my hair wash day fast and easy, it also makes it fun. So everyone, go ahead and check out our website and we would surely appreciate the support. So after about 15 to 20 minutes, this is what my hair looks like. Guys, when I say my hair is soft, it is so soft. Like, I don't think I've ever had a deep conditioner make my hair feel so soft. And the strength, guys, not only does it soften it, it also adds strength. After doing all of these hair growth challenges for the past 6 months, I did not realize that my hair needed strengthening. And although I was experiencing a lot of stress, and I knew that was the major reason why I experienced a lot of shedding and breakage, my hair wasn't as strong as it needed to be. And this treatment right here made me realize how much more strength my hair needed to be. And of course, I had to cut and trim my ends as well. And at the end, you'll see how much shedding that I got. And guys, I just loved everything about this deep conditioner. Even after towel drying my hair is super soft still. I recommend this deep conditioner 10 out of 10. Just take a look at this minimal amount of hair shed. And thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the post notification bell so that you are alerted. I'll be doing another clove challenge, so stay tuned, guys.